Hey guys, it's Couch Spuds, and today we have aPotforPot.com. They sent us a large grow kit, so we'll be unboxing it a little bit and give you a little bit of information about what's going on inside. It's all packed in very light, very nice. Pair-like. 5-gallon fabric bucket that has a few goodies on the inside as well. Has some compressed cocoa husk, 2 bricks of that. 2 bags of super soil, some myco chum. We have a seed starting pod in here. A nifty little watering tool. And we have a watering tray with a bunch of different things on it. Various things you'll need during your grow. Trimming scissors and neem oil. And a few stickers as well. And it also gives you this awesome diagram that is a grow guide and a schedule. And the bottom part is a coupon to get your free seeds. This has been an unboxing of a large grow kit from aPotforPot.com. Remember to follow us at Couch Spuds Co on Instagram.